And if you go to here, how many BAPIs you are found? Right, if you go to here, so if you go to here, right, SC37, BAPI star, material star, right? See, a lot of BAPIs created by SAP. You can see here, BAPI material delete, BAPI material display, BAPI material edit, BAPI retail material create, delete. For different business purpose, this BAPI will be, these BAPIs are available, given by the SAP. Okay. And this BAPI is for the create and change the material data, similar to your MM01 and MM02. Okay, the flow, why we go for the BAPI is, what the purpose of BAPI concept is. You are able to hear me, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If I go to here, so this is BDC, batch data communication. The batch data communication is based on the screen flow. This is the T code. This is the T code. So BDC, batch data communication, works based on the transaction screen flow. Okay. The drawback is, if new SAP version make any changes, for example, to the T code, MM01, the screen sequence. Okay. Our existing BDC will not work. Will not work. Since the BDC code we write is based on the screen flow that we have received using receive what based on the screen flow that we have got through the recording. Okay. Hence, BDC is not suggestible. S4, but all lot of old programs, lot of old existing programs has been developed by BDC. Hence, we need this concept to understood. Okay, you can note down this all these things. Okay. And this is your database, SAP database tables. So the alternative is for BDC is go with SAP given BAPIs to upload the data into SAP. That will work similar to function model, but this is not based on the screen flow. Inside the standard BAPIs, SAP has written the code to transfer the data into SAP standard database tables based on the business, like similar to MM01. Data passing through BDC. We have a standard BAPI which will work same as MM01 and MM02. The BAPI name is BAPI material save data. This do you understand this concept? Hello?
No.
Concept, what I am writing here, are you understanding or not?
Yeah.
Right, what I'm asking here. This is interview question. Mm. Open this BAPI. Open this BAPI. Go to C37. Check it. What are the parameters you are having? Go to display mode. Okay. Try to understood by clicking the function model documentation. Try to read 2 minutes. What is the function model documentation? Try to read that. It gives the purpose of that.
Like create change material master data.
Yes. MM01 is a master material master data only. Read that clearly for 2 minutes. What it's saying that to create and change the material master data. What is the transaction codes we use to create and change the material master data? Transaction codes.
Create MM01, change MM3.
02. So that functionality will be done by this BAPI. Okay. Suppose if you don't know how to use this BAPI, how do you get somebody's program? Yesterday also we discussed this concept.
But arrow we have to go on
Which one?
next to execute.
This should be familiar, this terminology terms. Where is your list? Right? If I click on this, what the next step? Click on where is the list. First of all, that button will give you what exactly? Think what concept exactly about clicking this button.
Where and all this BAPI is used, like in program.
Oh,
All.
in which programs and all we are calling that it lists out the programs. Right? Put the cursor here. You do it parallelly. Okay, just don't listen because more chances of forgetting unless you do practically. Put the cursor here. Click on where is list. What is this one? This list.
Where and all that BAPI is used, like
So like programs, so classes, WebDin Pros, BSP applications. So this is the different areas that there is a possibility of using this BAPI. Got the point?
yes.
So if you want, you search only in the programs, uncheck this and press enter. So here you can get the list of the programs that are calling this BAPI. Here, which are the custom programs? How many custom programs are there?
Three.
3, which is developed by us. So better don't take as a reference of these programs because this code is not so easy to understand. It's written programs. We can choose this one. Like for example, if we choose here, let somebody has used this for either maybe change or maybe for creating the material. Okay. Go to back to BAPI. Click on display. Go to attribute section now. Do you see the remote enabled function module option has been chosen here?
Yes.
Option, right? That is the remote RFC enabled, remote function calling. Now check it which function model you know, other function models, not BAPI one, but yesterday we
UI
have
upload.
seen open that parallelly in SC37. Tell me what is the option it has taken for the processing type.
Regular function model.
Oh, regular function model. That means that is cannot be called from the legacy systems or any other systems. BAPIs or remote enable function model means you can call it in the SAP system or from the Java system or any .NET or any external system as well. BAPI. Business Application Programming Interface. That can be called either from within SAP system or from the external non-SAP system, maybe like .NET, Java. Purpose is to retrieve the data and to post the data into to post the data into SAP. Since it is remote enabled, this BAPI can be called remotely. Okay. So based on this concept. Okay. So where you can see all the BAPIs is BAPI transaction code is there, BAPI. Go to transaction code BAPI. SC11 you can search it. Only 1 second, 1 second. Hello? Ah, Okay, where I was. Are you there in right? You are there in this transaction code, right? So go to here, model wise, you can check it here. The BAP is available. Can you go to here, materials management option here? Hello? Can you check it here? Expand this materials management. For example, you expand the purchasing. Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please
My
respond, both of you. Otherwise, right? I don't know
uh,
whether you are able to hear me or not.
my system was hanged, so I just joined from the phone.
Right. If you expand here, right? Purchasing order here, you can see the BAPI details here. Click on this here. Say suppose get detail 1 here. You double click here. Right? You see this has been developed, created by SAP as a BAPI PO get detail 1. So generally we don't create a custom BAPI, very rare cases only. But otherwise we use the standard BAPIs. We'll search here based on the module, or we can search through the SC37. Okay, you double click here. If you double click here, this is the BAPI. Either you can find the documentation here itself, you can find out the documentation here itself. It gives all the details of this purchase order. Same as ME23N. Do you see here? The function module BAPI PO get detail enables you to display detailed information on a purchase order. The BAPI uses the technology available in the ME23N backend, enjoy purchase order. N is for enjoy. So the import field P1 number must be populated. How do you know? Open this function model, double click this method. Okay. Go to import parameters. By seeing this screen now, tell me why this purchase order checkbox is not selected.
That optional.
So optional means, is it optional or is it mandatory?
Optional.
Is it optional or it is mandatory?
It is mandatory.
Huh?
That's why they didn't click on optional.
So checkbox not selected means
Mandatory.
mandatory. That means if you pass the purchase document number, it gives the information of that purchase order number. Are you there in the screen or not? All of you, both of you.
Yes, yes.
Okay, execute this.
Value.
Execute this. Function model we can execute directly, right? All both of you.
Okay, but it
Now
is
tell me,
case
purchase orders are available
sensitive.
in which database table? We have done so many examples on purchase orders. Smart forms, Adobe forms.
Mara.
No. Mara is for materials data.
Material.
Purchase orders. I am asking about purchase orders data. In which tables data is available? Purchase orders.
EKPO.
EKPO or EKQO? What is the difference between EKQO and EKPO?
EKKO.
What is the
It
difference
is
between
purchase
these two?
order header data and EKPO is item
Data.
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 Okay, you can go to either EKQO or EKPO, right? Open any table, EKQO. Tell me, bring one purchase order. Get one purchase order and pass here. Here. and click on execute.
But EBELN value needs to pass, no?
Correct.
So it is giving some entries, tables, values.
Mhm.
It is giving some entries like in table,
Mhm.
return, POITM, POA, delivery.
Check it. There is a data. You get data here. PO items under.
No, there
After
are zero
giving
zero
that,
entries. Only that
only
PO item data has 9 entries.
9.
9 entries are there in PO item data.
What purchase order number you passed?
Uh, 4, 5.
4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 times 0, 1.
7 zeros, sir. 2,
7 times 0.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1.
And 1. Right? You can save also this one here. Click on execute. Purchase order header data has come here. Okay. And purchase order items, PO items here. 9 digits are there. Tell me why 9 has come. Why not 10? Why not 4? Why not 5? Think. Because you know purchase order header, what is item? You know. We know. Why it has come 9? Why not 8? Why not 7? How do you cross check this 9 is correct? Question understood or not? Why it is coming 9 items? Why not 10? Why not 5? Why not 4? Why not 3? Based on what concept this 9 items has come? Where do you check it? See, all these are the real application of what we learned, what we know, the concepts. If we apply, then only we'll keep that, remember that concepts.
BAPI is truncating after 9.
Mm-hmm.
BAPI
Mm-hmm.
is truncating.
No, question is, are you getting the question? Right?
Why there are 9 entries?
Why not 10? If you go through this read, you can understand. Just click this button. Click this button. Observe closely. Then you know that why 9 has come. How do you cross check this 9 is correct? Just now you told, right, 10 minutes back only you told header table, item table. What is header table? What is item table?
Header data and item data.
Check it, cross check first. So which table will be contain the items data?
EKPO.
Purchase orders items data, which table?
EKPO.
Go to EKPO. Copy paste purchase document number 45001. How many items are there? How many items are there for this purchase order number?
In
Which table is for purchase orders items data?
EKPO.
Do it first.
But this is not in EKPO. This entry.
45001 not there.
Oh no. It is in EKPO table.
Both are foreign relationship, right? Header
Yeah.
data and item data. It must be there. Open EKPO table. Go to first field, copy paste, execute.
There are 9 entries.
So this analysis we should be fast
Yeah.
because we know tables, right? We know header table, we know item table.
Hmm.
See, that is what the ABAP. ABAP means not just write a select statement and then update. This is not just ABAP. This is normal. Now, which transaction code you see this purchase order? This also you know. We've seen many times. Now you have seen in the tables data. In transaction code also you can see. Which transaction code you see the purchase orders? Ask ChatGPT, no problem. You use ChatGPT. In which transaction code you see the purchase order? We have done this. We should have keep handy all these transaction codes. MM01, 02, 03, VA01, VA02, VA03. VF01, VF02, VF03.
LE23 and
Check it. You have to check it yourself.
yes, sir, LE23 and
You have to check it, go to system and then you have to check it. For this purchase order, how many items are there? This also I have done many times in the class. When I was telling the Adobe Forms, Smart Forms also I told you. $22N is for what purpose? ME 22N is what purpose?
23N.
23N is what purpose?
Display purchase order.
Display purchase order. So you have to give this 450001 purchase order number. Then it will give you that information of that purchase order document.
Ah,
How many items?
9.
9 items. No, it is matching.
Ah,
This how the analysis. The entire SAP analysis like this only, day to day. So transaction code, transaction code is the data where you enter. I mean 21, 22, and 23. And 21 is for creating the purchase order. 22N is for changing the existing purchase order. 3 is for
21.
display the purchase order.
Yes.
Data will store in the database tables. Which tables? Header tables, item tables, and all the tables. What is the header table for this purchase order? Which is the table name for the header data?
EKKO. Header data, sir.
Header data.
EKKO. The mic is off, sir.
Okay. Why header is 1 record, items is 10 records? Based on what concept? Open both the tables, S11. In S11, for a given purchase order document, purchase order number, it will be only single record always, 100%. Always. Why single record? What concept will make only to store 1 record for a given purchase document number? EKKO table. Open EKKO table. See the structure of the table. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Open EKKO table. What I'm asking is in EKKO table, right? That is the header data, right?
Purchase document header.
Header data is single record always.
Yeah.
Which is the example I said that you take the hotel bill, supermarket bill. Okay. Whatever you see in the header is one record only, complete.
Yes.
right? Items may be multiple items, whatever the items you ordered or whatever the items you purchase. Like that I told when I was teaching.
Yes.
Now what I'm asking is, in EKKO table, what is the concept which will store single record?
So header
Right?
data, no? Header data only store one record for the entire purchase order.
No. Open the table EKKO.
Yes.
S11.
It's open.
Go to structure of the table. Table structure. See the table structure. All the fields. Tell me, think 1 minute. Which concept causes to insert into this table? Reason very carefully. Every word is important. Which concept is causes it will have only single record for a given purchase document number?
Like header and item relationship.
No.
That header item relationship or one-to-many relationship. Unique.
What unique? What concept make is unique?
Key, primary key.
Primary key. This is the concept. Because of primary key.
Uh,
Got the point?
unique value.
Unique
Yes.
value. For a given purchase document number, it will allow to store single record only. This
Yes.
is our real application of the purchase unique primary key concept.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Now go to EKPO table. See the structure of the table. How many fields are primary key there?
Three.
Okay, first field you can ignore because client field always.
Two.
So because of that, you will be having the multiple records, right? Header and corresponding item. For one header, it can have how many items? Multiple items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right?
Right. Yes.
So this is the real concept of the primary key.
Yes.
Right? When we are learning that very initially, business point of view, we may not understood clearly. Just we know primary key means unique queue, primary key means unique queue. Okay, done? Clear?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Now, what we do is, we will call okay, I'll give 10 minutes time. You call this program like how you call the functional module. Okay, this is a functional module. Just try it. You know how to call the functional module, right? Hello? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the ABAP program. What you are going to call is, consider this one as a function module only. This is the BAPI. Using the pattern statement only. Okay. So what is the BAPI? This BAPI. This BAPI should call. This is the BAPI. What information you should call to BAPI? Which is the mandatory parameter here? We are seeing, right? Just this is the mandatory parameter. What is the mandatory parameter?
Those who
Purchase
don't
document
have
number.
it.
Purchase document number, right?
Hmm.
So what you should do is, then you should display in the output here. This is the output. Now you will understood concept of right items, right? All items here. Loop at IT underscore item into work area underscore item. Then display. What information you can display here is end loop. So I'll tell you what at here export changing tables, right? Items table, which is item table, this one here. This display PO item. Display PO item, comma, short text, material, this is enough. Okay. Plant also is there here. Plant is this, plant also is there. Plant and storage location. Plant.
So you show now, will do what? You show this one.
Skin, you are not seeing my skin?
Yeah.
You are seeing my skin, right?
But I'm
Material.
saying that this concept you are telling now to do, you show now will do with it.
Your voice coming very low.
I'm saying, sir, that this is whatever you are saying to do now. Will do with you.
No, I will guide you. You do it. I'll guide you. Okay. First go to ABAP program.
Yeah.
Because if I do it, you do it. That is sometimes only. This is nothing new. You are just calling what we know already. Go to program, quickly create a program. So you should take a parameters. So which one we have to pass? Just when you have executed, what field you have passed? In the BAPI, when you have executed, you pass some value, right? What is that field name? Purchase order. Purchase order.
New program.
There is no difference. So think that is a function model only. You know how to call a function model
From pattern.
from pattern. P underscore open this BAPI and S11 already you opened, right? Here. Tell me what is the data type of this parameter. Tell me the data type for this field. How do you know? You should double click here. Go to SC37. Okay. Go to SC37. Tell me the data type for this one. This is the field, right? Input parameter. This is the data type. You copy paste here. Type. Not plant. What is the associated type here?
Is roaming.
This is the data type, right? This is the data type column. I'm
PO
asking that
number.
what is the data type for this purchase order number? This one. See my cursor.
Character.
No, I'm asking that type name. This one, not a data type. This name. What is this?
EBELN.
No.
PO number.
No, there are, see. Below associated type, you have the data type here. This I'm asking. BAPI, MEPO header, that full name you should tell. You are seeing my cursor, both of you or not? Cursor, where I am moving my
Yes,
cursor.
yes, sir.
This one I'm asking. This one.
I'm clicked on that associated type.
Copy paste here. That's the data type. What is that? Is the data element or domain? What is that? How do you know? How do you know if anything we don't know in a BAP, what should do?
Double click.
Double click and tell me that. Fast.
BAP. It is structure.
It is structure, but it is a field, right? Hyphen means field name, right?
Purchase order header data.
This complete thing is structure hyphen field name, right?
I didn't get your question.
Oh, I'm asking question is what is this below below this column associated type? You see this entry, right? What is it?
Yes.
Simple question, right? Associated type, this section, what is this one I'm asking? That's all, simple. Here, this one. Are you seeing my skin cursor position or not?
Yes, sir. I clicked on that associated type, double click.
Hmm.
BAPI, MEPO header, PO number. Clicked on that.
Right here. If you go to here, right, import parameter, right, expand this one here. So anything, if you give like this will be the structure and this will be the field. You should copy paste here directly. That's all simple, right? Control C, go to here. So what is this BAPI MEPO header? It is a structure or a table or what is it?
Structure.
This one, structure. How do you know? Double click here.
Double click. It is written there.
Right, this structure. And what is this one?
Purchase order number. Document
No,
number.
what do you call terminology? This is a field. This is a field. This is a data element. This is a field, right? Compared nothing but the field here. And what is the data element here? This is the data element. How do you know? Double click. It went to data element, right? Same data element only. So they are using in the different way here. They are calling with PO underscore number. So after that, what you should call here? Call function. Call function this BAPI. What BAPI? BAPI PO get detail here. So here you should call function BAPI underscore PO underscore get detail. It gives the structure of the BAPI or not when you call like this. When you call function. So you should also pass the P1 number you should pass. And what I am asking is to display the data parameter here. This tables parameter. Under the tables parameter, PO item. What is this BAPI ME PO item? Is a structure or what is this one? Hello?
What is PO item, no?
This one I'm asking. This was highlight. See my screen here. What is this one?
Purchase order item.
No. What I'm asking is it a data element or a structure or table or what is it? How do you know?
Double click.
That's correct. Double click on. Do it. Double click. Is it a structure type or not? Structure or not? This structure, right?
It is structure type, yes. Purchase order.
Because in this function module, they have declared under the table section, this becomes automatically the internal table. This becomes internal table now, not a structure here. Because items is more than one record, right? More than one record means which one we need, structure or internal table? Internal table, right?
Yes.
So how do you declare the internal table in the program is, take this in your program. Purposefully I am not writing. If I write is easy. Here, data, IT underscore item, type, table of. Now what is your IT underscore item will become? Internal table or work area?
Internal table.
Internal, because we are using type table of, right? This is a structure type. Right? So you should pass this IT underscore item to your BAPI here. After you call the BAPI, right? IT underscore item. To which parameter you should pass? Here left side, PO item. This is comes from the function model, nothing from the BAPI. This you are calling what you declared here, because the data will come. And here you should pass here import parameter, right? Under import parameter, purchase document number here is equal to, here we have written here, right? Here P underscore APL. Got the point here? Hello?
Wow.
Right? So don't call like this, type like this. You should type with the pattern only. Hello?
Yes, sir. Click on pattern, then call that back to PO detail.
And you are passing here. See here, these two are from the program you are passing to the BAPI. BAPI will give the data. Now how to display this one? Right? What loop at IT underscore item into, I think you can use the new syntax here. Data, not at the rate, data, work area underscore item here. End loop here. Then user add statements here to print the data. Right? What I given here, WRAT hyphen PO underscore item. WA underscore item hyphen PO underscore. I'll give this, you can try now. I'll give 5-10 minutes time, okay? Na? I'll give in our group. You should execute and output should come. You'll get a lot of maybe errors. That is good. If I do right, it would have been done already. Actually, what we are doing is we are calling a BAPI to get the data. Hello. So to call the
Yes.
BAPI, we are passing the parameters. So that what it will do is like a function model only. You give something, I give something, like that the function model concept. What you give, you are giving the PO number, saying that give me the information of this PO data I need. Got the point? Because purchase document number is a variable, we declared as a parameter. User will give the purchase order document number. And because items data we are fetching, items data will come more than one, we need an internal table. Got the point? And then, because once the data comes to the internal table, how do you display the data? Using which concept you display the data of the internal table?
IT_ fact table.
No. Once the data is available in the internal table, how do we will display the data? Using which concept? Loop statement, right?
Loop IT.
Loop the internal table work area. Do that. I'll show you one more method today without a loop also. As part of HANA news and text. Do that. You can share the screen, no problem. I'll wait for 2 minutes. I'm here only. Done. You can share the skin. If type for yourself, otherwise you can share the skin. 1040. By 10:45 you should complete this. You can share the screen, no problem. Hello.
Yes, sir. We are doing.
So you can share screen. Maybe if you stuck up, right? So you can share the screen. Let's move on.
Yes, sir. We are doing.
Done. Okay, so I'll show to you. Hello. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Go to here. Right, ZMH underscore PO BAPI calling here. Click on create PO BAPI calling. Type as executable program. Right, parameters P underscore ABLN type. Go to here, BAPI. So this becomes a parameter. See, by seeing this notation, right, we should be able to understand this is the structure. For the structure fields only, we display like we mention like this. Right, next one, start of selection. All function, right, BAPI underscore purchase. You can search like this also here. And so this is empty here. What you should pass? You should pass P underscore ABLN here. Because you need the items data, you have to uncomment here. You should define here IT underscore PO item. Let's see if it works. The new syntax, I think it will not work. We can go with this one. Otherwise, we'll declare the internal table. So it will not work here. So what we should do here is declare here PO item here. Type. So we need internal table. So we should first find out the data type of this one, PO item. Double click here. Go to here tables. PO item. This is the data type. Save it. Back. Right. Type table of, because this is structure. You need an internal table. Then IT underscore PO item. Check it now. Okay. If you want that display the data, loop it IT underscore item. Loop at IT underscore PO item into data work area underscore PO item. This is the new syntax, right? On a syntax. Inline declaration we call this. Check syntax. If you want print, you can print here write statement. Work area underscore PO item hyphen first field. What the first field has said? PO underscore item.
PO item.
So one by one we can print. I'll just print only one field. Syntax or query underscore PO item. Activate. Right, you can do debug also. Put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Right, 45001, right? We were giving here. This one. Save it. Test one. Test one. Save it. Execute. Right, control is here. P underscore EBLN. You are passing this data, and BAPI will give this data. Right? PO item is unknown. Right? Go to here. Go to here. PO item is unknown. Think 1 minute. See my screen. What is the mistake? It is showing that PO item is unknown. Think 1 minute. You'll get an answer. Think 1 minute the code only from here to here. You'll get an answer.
We didn't declare that PO item.
Hmm?
We
We are
declared
declared already here. Right? I declared here.
IT underscore PO item. Right?
But still the dump is coming. There is a
That
mistake
PO
here.
item is unknown.
Here. In this.
The return the table has to
Correct. What I should do? Correct.
Table has to uncomment.
Uncomment. Correct. Because all this comes under the table section. Click syntax. Activate. Right, no data has come. How many? 9 items. So 9 items is going to loop and print here. 9 items here. You got the concept here? Hello?
Yes.
So there is a new syntax on a point of view. Even you can avoid this loop also. So there is a standard class CL underscore demo underscore output. This is a class name. You can use this also using the pattern. Go to here. Go to the object pattern. Class name here. CL demo underscore output. Go to the methods. There is a method display underscore data. This will display automatically the output. You don't need to loop. Value is equal to.
So can you show us again that method work?
Yes. I'll again demo this. Right. Go to pattern here.
Right.
Here there is a class, standard class name. So double click on this object pattern. Double click here. you should give the class name. This is the class name here. And then you can choose the method here. CL demo display underscore data. Choose that, press enter. Okay. Now you can pass the data here. Internal table, your internal table. IT underscore PO underscore item. IT underscore PO item. Check syntax. Activate. Right now you can execute this one. Execute. You no need of loop and end loop, nothing is required. See that it prints the data automatically. SAP has created this new concept. All the fields will come here. So what is this one? This is the class name. This one. Class name. How do you know? Double click here. It will take you to class CL demo. And what is this method? Think 1 minute. What type of this method is a static method or instance method?
Instance.
Instance. How do you say it is instance? Based on what concept?
That
You say
display.
instance.
Display is referred to instances.
No. Basically in the OOPS, there are two types of methods, right? One is static, other one is instance.
Static plus instance plus.
Instance, static. What is instance method? What is static method? Static methods.
The static means it is class, do not refer to an object. No?
Static methods will be called
Belongs to
without
the
object. Without object, but using the class name. This is the static method definition. Instance method. Instance methods. We
refers
need
to object.
object. Now tell me, is it instance method or static method? Static method. Line number 62. We are calling. Display underscore data is a method. It becomes static or instance now.
Static.
Static, because we are not using any object. This is the class name here.
Mm.
This is the method. See, real application of this OOPS is like this here, right? When we are teaching OOPS concept, that time it may not be understood, but this is application. Got the point?
Yes.
This is the application of the OOPS concept. And if you double click also, you can find. Double click here. Click on this. You can find here. This is a static method. How do you know? Go to here. Method definition. Attributes. Can you check it is static method or not? Static.
Yes.
Okay. So quickly, under 10 minutes time, quickly I complete one more BAPI to change the materials data, similar to MM02. Okay. I can do it with you directly in the system without. So using the BAPI material save data only, I'll change the existing materials data. Change. Okay. Click on create. Change the materials data using BAPI. Go to type. Executable. Go to here. So we'll take one material as an input parameters. P underscore MATNR type Mara MATN. Or first we can call the BAPI. Which BAPI is BAPI material save data. BAPI underscore material underscore save underscore data. హలో క్లాస్లో ఉన్నారప్ప నాకు రాలేదు. వన్ మినిట్ ఎక్కడుంది ఇక్కడ ఓటీపీ? ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడుంది? ఇక్కడ ఓటీపీ లేదు. ఉండండి, అవసరం లేదు. నువ్వు నాకు క్లాస్లో మధ్యలో ఉన్నాయి ఎన్ని హెడ్ఏక్లు పెట్టద్దు. Right, material save data here. Open this BAPI parallelly. Okay, na? Hello.
BAPI material save data.
So opening this is 37 parallelly. So we need one work area here. Data work area underscore header data type. How do you know type is? Double click here. Right, go to here, header data. This is the data type. Okay, so now you are going to change here work area underscore header data hyphen material number. Right, first field is material number. Material number. Okay, P underscore MATNR here. You want me, if you want to change the units of measure, so what you can do here is, suppose I want to change only one field data, just for example. right here. Units of measure you can get here. This will cancel here. Work area underscore header hyphen, right? So double click here, click on yes, right? Check if there is any units of measure option here.
No.
Base units of measure not there here. Double click here. Go to BAPI here. Go to here. Go to import parameters, right? Check it here. Do you see the base unit of measure here? A base unit of measure, right? Here. You see this is a base unit of measure.
Yes, you are.
Go back here. Okay, client data. Type. Let open this SC37. Go to here. Go to import. Client data type is this one. This is also work area now. Now client data hyphen, right? Field name is client data. Double click here. Units of measure. Sorry, base underscore EOM. So here base units of measure equal to kg. So I'm going to change that to kg, whatever the value it is there. Okay. And whenever you are changing it, you need to pass the parameters for this structure as well. Here, you need to declare this client data x, client data x type of this one here. This is for updating the value. So you can pass here client data x, client data x. Inside this also you will be having the field base units of measure. Check syntax. Okay, now we should pass here header data material. That material value you are passing to kg here. So for client data, client data x, client data x work area should pass. So that this will work as similar to MM02. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now you should commit this. To commit this, you should call as BAPI underscore transaction underscore commit. Enter. Okay. This will commit the data changes into the database table. So here important parameter in the BAPI is return parameter. This will give you success or failure of the BAPI calling, right? Return. Return is what is data type return? You can check it here. Double click here. Export to return. Return is what is return? Check it. See here. What is return? Is internal table or work area? See, if I double click, it is showing a structure. So it has become work area or internal table. This one.
IT.
Return becomes internal table or work area. What is this?
Internal table.
No, because this is structure type, right? It becomes work area. You are declaring the export parameter, not in the tables parameter.
Sure. Yes.
This becomes work area.
Okay.
Right? You can declare one more work area underscore return type. Okay. Now you can give here work area underscore return. Okay. You can call here if work area underscore return underscore. So you can check it what is that fields in the return structure. Right? Export return BAPI return to. So my mistake, this is the return type. Copy this. Right? Right? Work area underscore return hyphen type equal to yes and success. Okay. Wait statement. Materials data has been changed. X syntax and if, right? RETURN. RETURN. And if here, that's all here. Right, check syntax, activate, execute. So we'll take one existing material. Go to S11. Go to Mara table. Click on display. Go to contents. Okay. So we'll take base unit of measure not equal to kg here. How do you take it? Not equal to give kg here. This will search all the materials which is not equal to kg here. For example, I take this material number 149. Right? 149 mm03. Take to 149. This PC we are going to make to kg. Okay, na? 149. Uchinda? Workout leda? Execute this. So I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Go the material number. Save it. Test one. Test one. Execute. Right, you can check it here, return type, success. S means success, changed, execute. Okay. PC to KG we have changed, right? Go back. Sorry. MM03. Right, go to here. Do you see change to KG or not? Hello?
KG.
It is changed, right?
Yes.
It was PC earlier. If you want, I can
And that
change
group
again back
X
to
to
the.
S.
It was
Base
PC.
UR.
Now we made as KG through the BAPI.
And that client data base URL X to S.
Now I can make it this one again from KG to PC.
PC.
Is somebody's material number, right? We should not change that just like that. Go back. I can make it PC here now. Now it will change from KG to PC. Activate. Execute. Use a variant. Execute. Right, F6. Right, F6. Data is executed now. Oh, this time become E. You can check it why that is error here. Unit of measure is not defined. Check your entry. PC only. Earlier was PC only, right? What was the earlier only before we change it?
PC.
PC only. Let's see. We can go and change it to manually MM02. Okay, maybe internally value is changing. Now we'll change it again to this KG. Okay. Go to the program. We'll make it to KG here. Save it. Activate. Execute. Right, F6. What is the return type? S. Because I am changing, right? That's why this lock is coming. Hello? Because I'm in MM02.
Yes, sir.
I am editing, that's why. Go back.
Ah.
Now you can execute again this one. Go back, execute again. Use a variant. Execute. Right, it has been changed. Check it here. S. Right, change it here. Now check it in MM03. Go to MM03. SKG. Okay. So I'll stop here. You take as a homework as try to create a new material.